Are you looking for the best sublimation printer for heat transfer? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Epson EcoTank ET2750 Wireless Color All-in-One Sublimation Printer. Epson EcoTank ET2750 has given a wonderful present to people who value longevity and compatibility. From connection to software, this Epson dye sublimation printer offers everything you need in a professional printer. As an all-in-one sublimation printer, Epson's EcoTank ET2750 has limited features, but its low-cost ink means it can save you money over the long run. Moreover, refillable ink tanks are used in place of cartridges, which allows you to save money and enhance your productivity. Many other all-in-one printers are heavier than the Epson EcoTank ET2750's 5.5 kilograms weight. The printer has a big ink tank in the bottom right corner, making it easy to move. It's also tiny and light. The left of the ET2750s has a swing-out control panel, similar to those seen on many Epson models. Many things are happening here, and the control panel seems strong. Color free of cost is followed by a little unsteady out tray that likewise has an incredible pace. Plus, printing data stored remotely on your smartphone is also possible with these applications. You can also print documents stored in the cloud storage services such as Google Drive and Microsoft OneDrive. Epson EcoTank 2750 comes with several connectivity options including Wi-Fi or Ethernet. You may effortlessly transmit print jobs from your tablets, smartphones, PCs, and laptops. A memory card reader placed on the front of the printer allows printing from SD cards. Number 2. Epson EcoTank ET4760. Let's review another printer from the series of Epson. EcoTank ET4760 All-in-One Printer is Epson's best-selling multifunction printer, MFP, for small and home offices. Like the rest of the EcoTank line, this type produces excellent results at the lowest operating expenses. Even better, it offers a set of features that doesn't overtly compromise productivity benefits for the sake of cheaper ink costs. As a result, it is the best choice for small offices that need to print or scan hundreds of pages per month without stressing consumption costs. Walk-up tasks like copying, scanning, or printing from the cloud, sending faxes, and changing configurations are handled via the ET4760's display, which serves as the complete control panel. The Epson ET4760 makes use of the Epson iPrint software, which has excellent capabilities. You may quickly print, scan, and copy from the application and perform servicing operations like firmware upgrades, cleaning the printhead, and checking ink levels. However, you might find it more convenient to access some services, such as checking consumables and producing use statistics, through the ET4760's built-in website, which is now available on virtually all printers. Number 3. Epson EcoTank 3760 All-in-One Supertank Best Sublimation Printer. Let's take a closer look at the Epson EcoTank ET3760 now. It is an all-in-one Supertank printer from Epson Prints, scans and copies wirelessly without cartridges. If you aren't a tech whiz, don't worry. The complete and straightforward installation guidelines come with the packaging. In addition, you'll also find a link to the exclusive owner's handbook online. I became accustomed to using it because it does not have a direct touch feature like the HP and Brother. Instead of using the up and down arrows, I had to use my hands to go where I wanted to go before pressing the OK button. In the age of touchscreens and swipes, this is no longer the case. Moreover, a 30-sheet automatic document feeder (ADF) on the ET3760 scans two-sided papers manually. The printing quality is excellent. The quality of the other Epson printers I've used has always been outstanding, but the Precision Core printhead is a huge step forward. The images are vibrant, and the writing is clear, high-quality framing. The ET3760's varied connectivity choices, in addition to its outstanding print quality and cheap operating costs, are one of its most vital points. USB 2.0 connectivity to a single PC and Wi-Fi connection, and the simplicity of building connection ease with Epson EcoTank 3760. Number 4. Epson EcoTank ET15000 Selling EcoTank Sublimation Printer. If you're looking for a cost-effective and efficient sublimation printer for heat transfer that enables you to complete your print assignments promptly, Epson 15000 is undoubtedly for you. This EcoTank 15000 Epson printer is one of the most energy-efficient and waste-free sublimation printers on the market today. The Epson ET 15000 is the most sophisticated and best-selling EcoTank sublimation printer in the marketplace currently. It is the most recent addition to Epson's EcoTank ET line. Because of its flexible paper handling capability and remarkable productivity, it is an excellent choice for your next sublimation printer to buy for heat transfer. Let's take a closer look at its key characteristics to have a better understanding of it. Epson 15000 is driven by precision core technology, which generates up to 40 million same DPS dots per second, with exceptional accuracy, ensuring that you will get the ideal design published every time you click the print icon. Epson 15000 saves up to almost 90% on ink use and uses less electricity than typical printers on the market to provide your company a financial advantage. It has an ideal cordless solution that uses Wi-Fi and hands-free, voice-activated printing to ensure that you can print all of your goods with ease. Number 5. Canon Pixma G5020 Wireless MegaTank Single-Function Supertank Printer. A high-yielding inkjet printer, the Canon Pixma G5020 MegaTank inkjet printer boasts excellent performance. If you are looking for a budget-friendly printer that takes fewer ink cartridges or don't like spending much on ink, this is your best option. Well, for heat transfer printing most people need to print on photo paper, and fortunately, Pixma G5020 prints fairly quickly. As a result of using black ink instead of color, print speeds are obviously faster. In case you are looking for an inkjet printer with more speed, consider the Epson Stylus C88 Plus Color Inkjet printer instead. Moreover, it features separate ink tanks for each color, as suggested by the name MegaTank, example, magenta yellow, cyan magenta. Approximately, GI20 ink bottles can produce 6,000 pages for black text, and 7,700 pages for color text. Canon Pixma G5020 also offers multiple connectivity options with an inbuilt Wi-Fi, including Apple AirPrint, Mopria print service for Android devices. Additionally, it includes Canon's 12 months limited warranty. Overall, the Canon Pixma G5020 is an excellent value for its price, provides you great value. Yet the extremely high yields and ink efficiency that you are able to achieve with this printer are just unbelievable.